Alright, now that we've learned our first three new notes, remember we started with F, which is in first position. We have E flat, which is in third position, which is just in front of the bell, and then we have D, which is in fourth position, which is just beyond the bell of our instrument. We're ready to play number 6. We're just going to use all three of those notes, okay? So we're actually going to start on our fourth position D, right here. We're going to play 5 quarter notes on D. So it's going to be D, 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 and then that is followed by 3/4 rest. So we're going to play the 5 Ds, 3/4 rest. So those first two measures are D, 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 rest, rest, rest. Alright, let's go ahead and play that. Just the 5 Ds and then 3/4 rest. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. We'll do that one more time. Once you're ready, play 5 Ds and 3 rests. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Alright, now we're ready for our last two measures. It's a little bit trickier, alright? So our last two measures, if you have a book, we're starting with D again. We're staying on D. D, D, E flat, F, rest, rest, rest. So for slide positions, that's 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, rest, rest, rest. So let's play those last two measures. 1, 2, last two, go. Rest, rest, rest. We'll do those last two measures all together one more time. So once you're ready to play, D, D, E flat, F, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, rest. So now let's put it all together. So say our note names, move our slide for the whole thing, okay? So I'll go through it with you all. 1, 2, note names go. D, 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 rest, rest, rest. D, D, E flat, F, rest, rest, rest. If you do that again, just go ahead and rewind it and keep moving your slide, okay? Let's go ahead and try to play the whole line now. We'll do it a couple of times so we get plenty of practice. So I'll count you off. 1, 2, ready, play, and then we'll come in. On D. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 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 rest. So notice I use that last rest in the second measure to take a big breath so that I could play the third and fourth measures, alright? Let's do this one more time just for practice, okay? Once you're ready, play. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. That's all there is to it to the 6th line. If you need more practice, just go ahead and rewatch the video or rewind it as many times as you need to. Play along, alright? Great job, guys.